Okay, we finished this little enclosure for the chickens. I did not film this part. I just needed to get it done quickly, but I will tell you how to do it since I've already asked, so many people have already asked me. I got 7 of these posts. Get however many you need. You want to space them 4 to 6 feet apart. I set my corner post in first, and then I spaced all of the rest of my posts accordingly. And then of course that side of my yard is already fenced in. You're gonna need one of these. This drives those posts into the ground. It's really heavy, and you just hold it over the post and you hammer it down. Typically, I think people get a 5-foot post for 4-foot fencing. We got 6-foot posts and we drove them down 2 feet so that they came right up to the top of our wire. This is 4-foot, 2 by 4 inch wire. It's PVC coated, so it's black. I get this from Tractor Supply. You can get some from Lowe's that's very similar. I don't think they have the black coated ones. So I just started down here and I hammered in these on this wooden post, and then I just pulled as tight as I could, and honestly I just zip tied it. I saw a guy on YouTube do this and said it worked really well, and yeah, I have like 3 or 4 zip ties down each post. All right, for the gate, it's really easy. I ripped cedar planks in half and just made a rectangle, and I did a double, and I sandwiched the wire fencing in between. It was really easy. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes. If you can't rip wood, you could just use the full cedar picket. You get them at the garden section in those. And then for the 2 posts that are holding the gate up, I added a 2x4 with wood screws just to hold it up, and then I added the hardware. I did it on the inside and it swings open. I don't know, I felt like that was my most comfortable way to do it. And 2 hinges. And that's it. I did space these 2 posts out about 36 inches. And so the gate is like 32.5 inches. Also, it's removable or just movable. It's easy to take down and move if I needed to, if we decided to make this part bigger or whatnot. But it was pretty inexpensive and pretty easy to do.